Building your first Web3 application can feel like learning a new language while assembling furniture without instructions. I remember the exact moment it clicked for me, connecting a browser wallet to a live blockchain network and watching a real transaction settle in under 5 seconds. That aha moment is what I want to give you today, using two tools I trust in production, Next.js and Freighter, the browser extension wallet for the Stellar network. In my 2 decades working with tokenization and blockchain infrastructure, I've onboarded dozens of developers into Web3. The Stellar ecosystem, thanks to Soroban smart contracts and low fees, transactions cost fractions of a cent, remains one of the friendliest entry points. Let me walk you through the essentials. Setting up your Next.js foundation. Start by scaffolding a fresh project. I prefer the app router for its cleaner data fetching model. The package is your bridge to the wallet extension, while handles account queries and transaction building. Before writing code, install the Freighter extension from freighter.app and switch it to the testnet network. A tip I always share: never develop against mainnet. In my early consulting days, I watched a client lose real XLM to a typo in a memo field. Testnet gives you unlimited free funds to break things safely. Create a file. Because Freighter runs in the browser, remember to mark your component with at the top. This trips up nearly every newcomer I mentor. Connecting Freighter and reading balances. Here's the core connection logic that requests wallet access and fetches the public key. Once connected, you can read balances directly from Horizon, Stellar's API layer, balance, $XLM, .balance, XLM. The philosophy I emphasize as in every workshop: the wallet holds the keys, your app never touches them. This non-custodial model is the heart of Web3 security. Your application only requests signatures, never private data. Signing and submitting a transaction. The final piece is sending value. You build the transaction, hand it to Freighter for signing, then submit the signed result. Notice that, without it, transactions can hang indefinitely. This is exactly the kind of production detail that separates a demo from a deployable product, something I stress in every audit I perform. With these 3 building blocks, connection, reading state, and signing, you have a functional non-custodial wallet running on real blockchain infrastructure, all in under 150 lines of code.